Hello and welcome to the channel Gastronauts Kitchen. We're thrilled to present a variety of recipes gathered from around the world. Over 10 years of living and traveling on our catamaran, we have explored different regions and collected a whole arsenal of culinary masterpieces. If you appreciate diversity and fresh culinary ideas, you've come to the right place. Today, we're making grilled steak fajitas. We're going to begin by making a marinade. Roughly chop cilantro and garlic. We are going to use this for a marinade, so you can use stems. Combine all the ingredients in the food processor. Add in the juice of freshly squeezed lime and orange. And now let's prepare our dried spices. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And process everything until it is smooth. Empty the mix into the dish in which you plan to marinate the meat. And let's talk about the choice of meat. You can use any type of steak from 1 to 3 centimeters thick. It's about 1 inch or less. We prefer to use skirt steak. It's very flavorful, tender and juicy, and nicely absorbs the marinade. You can marinate and grill the skirt steak without the membrane, but we like to cook it part way with the membrane on, remove it and finish until the meat is nicely caramelized. It is a little more work, but cooked this way it retains more juices and tastes even better. After grilling, we will be slicing the meat into long strips. So we cut the skirt steak into 10 to 12 centimeters pieces. It's about 4 or 5 inches. If the membrane is still on, cut 2-3 slits on each side so the marinade can get in. Put the pieces in a container. Make sure they are all well submerged. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours and preferably overnight. Slice the onions and cut peppers into 10 to 15 centimeter strips, which is about 4-6 inches. We will be cooking them separately, so it's better to put the onion and peppers into separate containers. Take the marinated meat out of the fridge and drain it in a colander over the onions. Now we're going to use the same marinade over the peppers. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sear the onions over the medium-high heat for 3-4 minutes. Cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Stir frequently to keep them from burning. Turn down to medium, take the onions out and set aside. add the peppers and all the remaining marinade and cook until liquid evaporates. Add the onions and stir fry for a minute or two. Preheat the grill and grill until both sides are nicely caramelized. If you are grilling with the membrane on, remove after grilling 3-4 minutes on each side. We like our fajitas medium, but you can cook it as much as you like. Now that our steaks are done, we can cut them into 1/4 inch thick strips. You can enjoy your grilled steak fajitas as wraps with tortilla, sour cream, and guacamole, and refried beans. All that we're going to be adding to our recipe videos in the future. Subscribe not to miss it. We are going to attach links to these recipes below in our description. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like and share it with your friends and loved ones.